You're looking down like, I don't think I have any. I only brought the one pair. Damn it!
How far are we away from here?
Is there a dirt bike shop on the way?
I feel so naked.
You look funny.
I'm like, what am I forgetting? Everything?
When Brat Buddy forgets his
Like, what the?
It's a sexy look there.
Huh?
That's a sexy look there.
Oh, appreciate it, bro. Setting fashion trends. Dirt naps already. Oh man. Dude, my left hand, I literally like clutched it and let out, and my left hand just completely let go of the bar. Already. Hey, at least you don't have to be the first one to eat shit today.
Hey, it's okay. I almost ate shit back there. I took it before you did.
Alright.
Like, whoa, I made it. Damn it, buddy didn't.
Man, I was feeling it too. What's up, YouTube? Brad Buddy here, and I'm out ripping some single track right now, as you can see, in the old Kisatchie National Forest with one of my good friends from back home, Taylor. Made a trip down here to Louisiana, try him out some more cross-country style trails and get away from the heart of Duro for a little while. Sit back, pop you a cold one, whichever kind of cold one you like, and enjoy the ride. I've already eaten it like once or twice already, I guess. I've already kind of reeled it back a little bit until I get warmed up. It's always a good idea to kind of warm up before you just go all out. find that flow. It's all about that rhythm. What you think?
It's different, man. That's so. The biggest thing I had to get used to was when you're hitting the sand, like in the corners and stuff. It'll get like rutted out. So you come in your corner and it'd be like rutted out, and if you don't take that exact line, like it'll fuck you. And I kept like I would go in a little bit too narrow, and it'd be throwing my wheel back into the root, throw me off.
You got to commit to your line.
Yeah.
Because you're going to your line. There's a bunch of lines, but it's like it always goes to the outside.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If you just go wide every single time, take the outside, it gets a whole lot faster. You can click up a gear, lug it more, and like just carry your speed just like with real small throttle control.
My tire isn't the greatest for sand.
I noticed a huge difference when I switched to this tire, because it gave me more forward momentum, more forward drive, which in turn gave me more control. Because in the sand, you have to push through it and get up on top of it. You know what I mean?
There was one little section back there that's kind of sandy. I just tried to get on. I just, wah. It's pretty fast.
It's real fast.
Yeah.
I noticed the difference in my sprocket. I totally forgot I changed it. I was like, no wonder it's bogging so hard. Like, I geared it up.
Hell yeah.
But honestly, like I like it a little bit better. I feel like I can stay in third more instead of having to go up to fourth. So that gives me a little bit extra top speed, which I was running out of in the straights for sure.
Gotcha. Well, that's good. It's perfect.
Hell yeah. I like it.
Win tomorrow or Sunday.
Yeah.
You know, fade on them pools.
Yeet! Get ready, LACC. We coming for you.
Some don't sound right.